Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to keep your monitor on when laptop is closed in Windows 11. For this, you need to click on this one start button and then type here control panel. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. Once control panel opens on your system, you need to select here view by category and then click on this one hardware and sound category, then click on this one power options, then click on this one choose what closing the lid does. Here ensure when I close the lid for on battery and plugged in is set to do nothing. After that click on this one save changes button at the bottom of the screen. Once done, again click on this one a start button. Here type cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry. Select run as administrator. Click yes in case your PC prompts. In the command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one power config hibernate off command. This will turn off hibernation on your Windows 11 PC so that when you close the lid it should not hibernate that and all these commands that I have used in this video I will provide the link in this video description. You can copy this command from there. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video press thumbs up. Bye bye.